Good morning, checking page here. Tired. Didn't sleep really well in that bed. It was kind of, I don't know what it was. We just tossed and turned all night long. Mafias are already up. They got up at, who knows, 3 this morning. They were already downstairs eating breakfast. And when we got up, we had our free breakfast this morning. Was really good. And yeah, so we're all packed up and ready to go. So yay. Anyway, we are headed to Khon Kaen Ram Hospital this morning to go for my final checkup. And my mother-in-law has also got an appointment, her final appointment at the heart doctor. Gonna bring you guys along. Today is actually Sunday. My father-in-law's already called and said, hey, are you guys coming back home today? I'm like, yes, we're coming back home. So he's like, okay, I'm gonna get the ladies to cook. So we're gonna have Sunday fun day tonight. Yeah, my backup camera stopped working. So I think it's recording still, but the video is not displaying. Nothing lasts forever, so now I gotta get that. Great. Okay, we're here at Khon Kaen Ram Hospital. Braces for 38,000 baht, so that's like maybe $1,400 US dollars. In Thailand, at the government hospitals, you can have a baby cost you 30 baht for a baby, but the government only pays for 2. That's why most of the women here are single and have 2 kids. Because after the second one, it costs them not much. How much does it cost for this 3rd baby? This is an awesome hospital. I know you guys have saw my experience in the hospital. If not, I'll share the link again for my surgery. He said everything is okay. I'm happy now. No more stuff coming out of my nose. Okay, now we just have to sit here and wait to pay for the checkup. But he wants me to come back again in 3 months, but 2 months. But I don't think it's necessary. Anyway, we'll see how much the little checkup is. I know they're going to try to give me a bunch of the same medication stuff that I already have a lot of that I've been kind of lazy to take. I have to flush my nose out with saline like 3 times a day. It's really a pain in the butt. So I have a lot left. So they try to add that to the bill. I'm gonna have to have them take it off because I don't need any more of that stuff. Okay, they didn't try to sell me any medicine, and the bill. Hang on, let me get on the elevator here without falling. Was only 953 baht. So that's like $30, less than $30. Not too bad. Babies. The ladies are done. I got to go to the restroom. I was looking at the picture of the restroom, and then I saw the one on the bottom. I was like, oh, that's me, the flaming one. It's just a guy running. I thought he had the... I thought he had what key. So, did her check out? Okay. She check out good? หัวใจดีไหม
ดีหมดก็ดี
How much
วิ
is
ตา
that?
เดียวกันให้เดียวอันนี้บ่
10 14 10 she got one medicine and a lung x-ray
Oh, X-ray.
for her lung
3 เพลงนึง
So she's okay? No more? Pull out?
พอแล้ว
เดี๋ยวจะแค่3แบบเมื่อกิน
They see the sale.
เสื้อเหลืองเสื้อละ200
Okay, I finally got a donut from the lady who sells the donuts on the side of the road. So let's try a donut. Donut.
ไม่มีคนสวยมีคนสวยเธอสวยเดียวก็ดี
Not too bad. Tastes like a donut.
อันเดียว
อันเดียวแน่กินน้ำตาล
Okay, one of the ladies' most favorite things to do when traveling is go to this store called Dang Mall. Dang Mo in English means watermelon. So for some reason they just like the style of clothes here at the Dang Mall. The gas stations are always an adventure in Thailand. Go to the bathroom and have a band. Okay, they said they didn't like anything in there. Mai Sawai.
ไม่สวยโอเคสวย
Mai Sawai. Not pretty.
เรา
Okay.
ไม่สวยเลย
We're off. Going home. Okay, our last Dang Mo store before we get home. The last one, they couldn't find anything that they really liked. I don't see, maybe they're trying on clothes. I think they found some clothes. They're in there trying them on.
ก็ว่า
Yeah. Okay. เสร็จแล้ว
เสร็จแล้ว อันนี้ก็ยังมีอยู่
อ๋อ
ยังมี
สว
ขาย
ย
อยู่ในหันนะ
โอเค
อ่ะ
มีความสุขไหม
ความสุขมากเลย
โอเค
แม่แตงโมสุดยอดเลย
Yay, we're home. It's a little after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Tired, really tired. Well, it's Sunday fun day, so we'll have a nice, probably a meal tonight. Bring you guys along for that. And, yeah, I need a shower. I need a shower so I can wake up.
มันถูกต้องมันเอาบ่ได้ในนี่ก็เอาได้นี่มันติดเนี่ยติดอันนี้ดิเอื้อยนอกใส่รถไปกันเด้อเอื้อยนอกกันอันนี้เอื้อยนอกกันอันนี้
กล้ามแขนเป็นมัด
Team Mafia.
Team
Team
Mafia
Mafia. My mother-in-law bought these shirts about a year. BTL.
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 ปีที่แล้ว
About a year ago, she bought these shirts. Mine didn't fit me, so
เดี๋ยวเสื้อทีมมา
it's a team, Mafia team. So anyway, I had to make it fit.
มาบอกพวกแกน่ะ
จะไปต่อ
อันนี้
Oh, this is
อันนี้
mo manao.
หมูมะนาว
It's a pork
ผัดชาไก่
with garlic and pepper with like a lime juice, real sour and hot, spicy.
จ้า
อะไร อะไร
ลืมอย่างนึง
แม่หมออะไรนะครับ
ทอดปีกไก่
ผัดชา
That's
อันนี้ผัดชา
that is a chicken
ชิคเก้นผัดชา
with this is a with eggplant and pepper
เอาว่าพวกกูเท่า
and vegetables. This is like a pepper seed, huh? That little round thing. And one of my favorite chicken wing, gai tuat. Big gai tuat.
ไก่ทอด
เมื่อแต่ละคน
คนเหมือนกันตัวนี้แหละ
มันหนุกยักษ์เลยว่าเขาจะเรียกว่าการจะเรียกกันว่าคือว่าถึงการจะถือว่า
คนเท่านั้นมีตัวนี้เด้อยี่เลี้ยนเลยอ่ะได้เตือนเลยเอาอย่างนั้นได้แกเอาแต่สาวๆหลายอย่างได้เวลา
โอ้ยมันที่เลยค่ะ
Cheers.
ที่เราเองว่า
Awesome. Aloy mama.
เดี๋ยว
Aloy mama.
แบบนี้มันอร่อย
ชักกี้รู้แล้วเดี๋ยวเที่ยวหน้าไปทำไก่อบน้ำผึ้งรีเอาแบบว่าตบปากนะ
ก็โมเซ่ต้องปาดน้ำมันบูแห้ง
โมแมนไม่ได้อบน้ำผึ้งนะ